Hello and welcome to word processing demonstration review number 1. At this time we're looking at review number 1, which is begun on page 55 of your textbook. And this review is different than most in that it is really 2 assignments combined into one. The first assignment is the example of a business letter, the Huang letter, and then the second part is a flyer, and that starts on step 14. So we'll make sure to make pauses so that it's clear when you're beginning and ending each of the 2 projects. To start out, you want to find your downloaded files. And to get them, you go to your Google Drive. From there, find Shared With Me. And then within that, you look for the Word 2016 Student Data Files. And within that folder, look for the Word 1 folder. That's for Module 1. And then beneath that, look for the folder called Review. Review is the folder we're looking for. Double left click that. And we need a couple of items. These 2 items we're actually going to need in the second half, but in any case, as you begin each review, be sure to download each of the items that you need. Okay, with your items downloaded, please begin item number 1 on page 55. It says, open a new blank document and save it. Okay, here we go. Going to the bottom and typing in Word and starting the Word application. Can minimize that. And it says, begin a blank document. 1 left click there. And the first thing you do is save it. Click on File, Save As, and we're going to use the Browse feature. Now, I put everything I work on in the download folder, and the reason I do that is so that later on, when I look for files to import or include in my work, everything is in the same folder. If you've managed to download things into another folder, just put them in the folder you work in. Okay, next point. In our class, the author says, call it J.Q. Huang letter, but for my classes, always add your last name to the file name. Always add your last name. And the reason is that there are many of you, and I don't want to give the wrong grade to the wrong student, so you want to make sure to add your name to the file name each time, and then click Save. Item 2, it says type the date, February 19th, using the autocomplete for the word February. Okay. F-E-B-R-U-A-R. Oh, I missed it. Let's try it again. F-E-B-R-U. Okay. So I got mine after 5 letters. I press enter for February. And then the rest of the date, 19th, 2007. No, 17. Item 3, press the enter key twice, 1, 2, and then use the inside address using the default paragraph spacing. Sabrina. I wish I could speed up this. And let's see. Then item 4, it says, Dear Ms. Huang. Dear Ms. Huang. Press the enter key and then type the body. I'm going to pause here because there's really no reason for you to have to watch me type. Just please simply type the letter as accurately as you can through step 4. And I'll meet you again in the next video for step 5.